valve holds back the high-pressure liquid refrigerant from the condenser and controls how much refrigerant can pass into the evaporator. The high-pressure liquid refrigerant is forced through a small orifice which causes a pressure reduction as it passes through. As the refrigerant passes through the evaporator and is exposed to more thermal energy, it will undergo a complete phase change and will become a saturated vapor towards the end of the evaporator coil. The refrigerant will continue to pick up thermal energy, and when it does this after the phase change, it will then start to increase in temperature. This superheats the refrigerant vapor. The sensing bulb of the expansion valve is monitoring this temperature to control the refrigerant in the main valve body. A diaphragm in the main valve body expands with increased sense temperature, which in turn is mechanized such that more refrigerant is added to evaporator to reduce the temperature in evaporator system.